You know it's in neutral. Turn the lights on. Wow.
Oh.
It was loose.
Was it?
Yeah.
This is chewed out. This isn't very nice. I should have left these attached.
Yeah, we've done it a bit backwards.
We've popped it up, but...
Good evening, this is Kiwi Grand Tours coming to you at night time, and we decided we're going to go spray painting.
Okay, one of the problems we've got with the bike is the indicators, but I think we may have that sorted, but we'll look at that soon. But the other problem is the neutral light up the top in the speedo is not going. Now, according to the book, it's behind here. So hopefully, I'm going to take this off, the gear lever, to get to that screw. Now, hopefully these screws aren't too tight, and it comes off all right. I'm hoping, because this has been stripped, I don't really want to take this cover off. I'm pretty sure it's behind here. Oh, look at that. There you go. Let's wriggle that off. Now, courtesy of a walkie impact driver, I've got it going the right way. Let's have a look. Oh! Lucky. This one here. Oh! Okay, we're a bit spoiled. Now, if I'm right, it's going to be behind this thing. I'm hoping. Ooh. There it is. See? There is a neutral light switch. Now, it looks like that wire just pops out. If I push that spring in, this should just... Look at that. So, just if you can see in there, there's
What's
a little...
going on here?
Someone's done a solder job, we'll have to fix that. But as you can see, just push that spring in and there's a little hole. Now, I don't know how that comes out. So let's just give it a little wriggle. It's turning. It doesn't screw in. I wonder if it just pulls out. We don't want to break this. I know we can get a new one. Oh, okay. We may have to refer to the book. I mean, it's definitely turning. Not quite sure how to get that out. All right, we'll come back to that. But let's try and get this out. Right, I've heat shrunk the little wire there because it was soldering, it was a bit bare. Now, all I did was spin this around and round in its little case, free it up, put it in neutral, and if we look up here, we have a neutral light. Now let's just, where is it? There. Now let me just put it in gear and see what happens. Voila! One neutral light fixed. Oh, it's a bit...
It looks like a solar eclipse or something going on.
Yeah, it's got a little bit, just ignore, don't go too close.
Oh, sorry.
But anyway, that's the bit. Now, we'll do the next bit. I've fitted the winker unit. I'm pretty sure I traced the wires left and right, so I've got them on the right area. So we'll just start the bike up, give it a little bit more juice. Stand back.
Oh.
Ooh.
What have we lost?
Something's happened.
Throttle control.
Shouldn't have. Anyway, look at the blinkers. And it looks like I'm going to be fiddling with the throttle cable now. Bloody hell.
So what are we thinking, Jace?
I think I've jammed the... I have to pull the gas off.
Oh. We were going to clean this.
There it is there.
My finger.
I've jammed it I jammed it under the
Oh
well,
dear.
there you go. That is a trap for young players.
Yep.
So let's just put that there.
Where did it go before?
Well, see, I've jammed it around here like this,
I see.
and of course it's pulled it on.
Yeah.
So let's try it again.
Right, let's get that tank back on. This tank's coming off and on quite a bit in this program.
I didn't think it'd be anything too serious. Okay, tank's on.
Good. Fuel's
Fuel
on.
is absolutely piddling everywhere.
Oh, she won't mind. Wife's pretty good.
All over my blinker units. Okay. That tucks under there,
Is it? What's...
like that. There.
Right, that's looking more promising.
Because that's the clutch.
Yep.
Okay. Alright.
Give it a whirl.
Take two
Take two.
on, look, neutral light.
Oh, good. I believe you.
So we have neutral light, winkers on the left.
Yeah. And give it a rev.
Winkers on the right. I'm a happy boy now. Electrics are working.
Good. Hello.
Hello, right. We have got brand new, look at this. Brand new 4 bulbs. 1 here on the rev counter, 3 here on the speeder, 1 for the neutral light, the back light and the indicator light.
What's the backlight?
You know, so you can see it at night.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant the backlight and on the back
But
light.
the problem with these bulbs is, these older ones, they're only 1.5 watt.
Yes.
Well, they are 1.5 watt, and you can only get 3 watts. So I thought, well, I'll do the whole lot at once.
Yes. And we'll blow the fuse.
Hopefully not.
No.
But I thought, I'll get the whole lot. Otherwise, we're going to have, you know, 2 at 1.5 watt and 3 at 3 watts. So they'll be a bit different. So let's put them all in. Now, of course, this is a brilliant system. You just poke them back up in the hole, up in here.
Oh, yes. Right, yep.
Got to find the hole, of course. Where's the hole? There. Right. push
Wow.
it. I mean,
That's so easy, isn't it?
it's an absolute piece of cake.
Yes, there's no dismantling your speedos.
Now, come round to the speedo side. And we'll see what we've got. Should we turn
Hang
the
on,
light,
what we'll
I'll
do-
turn the lights off.
Yeah, hang on. I'll just... Hang on a minute. Yeah. Okay.
Let's turn the bike on. Oh, look at that bright neutral light. You know it's a neutral. Turn the lights on. Wow.
Oh.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Let's do an indicator.
Nice.
Wonderful. Fantastic.
That looks really good.
Bright 3 watt little bulbs.
Yep.
Done. Look at that. Easy job.
Easy. Nice. This has been about your 10th kickstart so far, Jace. What's the carry on here?
Oh, I'm not quite sure. This thing normally fires into light. Like a bloody dream. Everything's on. Switch is on. It helps if you've got the spark plug connected.
Oh, let's have a look at that. Ah, yes. Yeah, okay. So we might have a pop when we start this time.
Why did I take that off? Spark plug helps.
Yeah. Well, tonight we're going to remove the handlebars.
Ooh.
At least we haven't got a tank to worry about when things fall down.
So what's happened to the tank?
Well, the tank is in the paint shop at the moment getting painted the candy orange,
Oh, nice.
and the side covers are in the paint shop. We're just undoing this quietly as we go, and then we'll remove these. And those handlebars are literally just sitting there at the moment. That was loose.
Was it?
Yeah. That's interesting, isn't it?
Well, she's an old girl. Things do get loose.
Well, it's not a Harley, is it, Jace?
We're not going to talk about that.
No. Right, so that. Same on this one, it looks like, but it looks like it's a Phillips screwdriver job underneath it.
Yes. So
This is the problem when you share a garage. Sometimes you lose tools.
it's down here on the floor.
Oh, right, good.
I'll just grab that.
Yeah, thank you, perfect.
There you go.
Well done, Jace.
I don't know if I left that there or not.
Okay, so we'll just have a little look inside here and see if we can crack that open. Yes, we can. And this one here. Oh, this has chewed out. This isn't very nice.
Oh, you got it.
That's loose too.
That's loose too. Jeez.
I think we have to check, make sure the back wheel's actually on properly, Jace, before we go for another ride on this bike.
You sure this is not a Harley?
Put those screws of temporary back in there again, just so we can say that they're in and not going to be lost. We'll get into here and just release that. Nice. And let's release this one as well. That's loose. Give it a wiggle. Ah, hang on, we've got a Y here.
Well, that's for the throttle.
That's right.
Okay, I'm just going to pause that while we get that off very carefully.
We've gone and cut the old handle off.
Oh God.
We were going to reuse that, but decided no. This could be tricky. I should have left these attached.
Yeah, we've done it a bit backwards,
we
but
popped it up, but okay. I need someone to hold the bars. I've still got a screw in my mouth at the moment. The taste of something.
right, that all should just slide off. Ah, look at that.
They're going to go something like that.
Awesome. Back to the original.
Back to the original.
And if you look at those ones there on this CB360 and look at the CB125, they're actually not that different. Just a bit longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Amazing.
Big boy's bike.
I don't believe it. It's bloody loose.
What?
It's not even tight, Jace. Are you filming this?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
I can't believe how
I just did that with my feet. That one is too. I could have had a serious accident.
those handlebars could have come off while you're riding.
Look at this. Is there a washer under there? No.
The rubber bush. Yep.
They'll need to clean up.
All risers have them. Stops the vibration coming through into the handlebars.
Good evening, this is Kiwi Grand Tours coming to you at night time, a great time of the day. It's about 7 degrees outside and we decided we're going to go spray painting.
With original chrome paint.
With original chrome paint. What is the brand, Jason?
Krylon? I don't know.
Okay.
But we're going to give it a go just to touch up those bits on the back guard of mine that we couldn't quite get out instead of having the whole guard re-chromed.
You're going to have to take the whole guard off to do it, you realise. Otherwise it's going to be patchy.
Bastard.
I don't think,
Okay, all right.
Jason. I don't think. Can I just say something? I don't think a can is going to replicate chrome that well that you're going to go blended in beautifully. You could hardly
I'll
tell.
try and blend it.
So what we got down
we'll
here
try it out.
is a CB360 original guard. That I'm sorry for the fans out there that are a bit worried about what we're going to do here with it, but we're just going to spray a bit of this stuff on.
Oh my goodness.